Hi everybody, John Libinati here with glutenfreeworks.com. Today I'm bringing you an important message. It's about a voluntary recall from King Arthur flour. You'll see we have the website up now. It is www.kingarthurflour.com/voluntary recall, and it's the King Arthur flour organic coconut flour. Okay, this is the 16-ounce packages, and the problem is it might have salmonella. They're recalling 6,300 cases of their organic coconut flour because one package tested positive for salmonella. You're looking for the best use date here of 10/25/18, so that's October 25th, 2018. The lot is CF22017EB. That is CF22017EB. I'm going to put all this information below this video. The other best use date you're looking for is 12/04/2018. That is December 4th, 2018, lot CF22017EB. Now salmonella is it's a bad organism. This is a bacteria that can get you really sick, especially in little kids. So you really want to check your packages. If you have this package, you want to just bring it back to the store and you will get a refund. So you can go online to kingarthurflour.com/voluntary recall, or you can contact them at their consumer hotline at 866-797-9178. That is 866-797-9178. All this information is on their website, and it's also on our site at glutenfreeworks.com. Please take action as soon as you can. Check your packages and make sure that you don't have this. All right? That is an important message from glutenfreeworks.com. Be well and stay healthy.